So guys, quickly to get started with the first of all, we're going to start with our Facebook ad. Okay, so to get started, first of all you just need is to first of all set up your page. Okay, now before you set up a page, you must have a Facebook profile. Okay, so without a Facebook page, you cannot run an ad, and without you having a page, you cannot have access to things that will help you to do your ad, to run your ad. Very very important. So first of all, if you don't have a Facebook, you need to open a Facebook. Okay, just normal Facebook and profile. So if you don't have, you open one. If you have already, then you are good to go to the next step, which is creating a page for your business. So now first thing first we need to do is to create a page. So now we are going to create a page. I'm going to create a page. We're going to create a page right away. I'll quickly show us how to create a page and all that. So the next thing to do is to come here, come to pages. Our network about this time. Pause this time. Let's go again. Let's try it. Okay, so I'm offline. Okay. Alright, to run a page, all you need to do is to first of all come here, click on page. So when it's coming, when you see that, okay, you might not really see all these ones on your own because it's a fresh one, or probably might not create one. You might not have created a page before. Like these are the top pages I manage, so that's why I see them. So all you just need to do this: come to your right hand side and this left hand side, click on create page. Okay, so let's pick what is the name of this page. Let's say we are saying this page name is let's see, faction. Let's see, fashion hub. Use something. See, fashion hubs. Okay, fashion hubs. Tick. Let's see, this is the name of the page. Okay, so now what is it? Which category are we into? Of course, we know is faction or product. And if we don't see faction, faction, design and faction, women clothing store, clothing store. He said okay, he said that you pick a clothing store, anyone related to it, design and faction and order. So that you can just click I think it should be more than, should be up to 3, right? Yes, you see products, product and service, and I see faction. We picked this one before, so can I say okay, shopping and retail. You cannot pick more than 3 for that. Okay, so description should be something like say says of food, say food reacts clothes, let's say wristwatches and all that. Okay, so let's say these are some of the things we sell. So next thing you to do is to come here. There's stuff for us to do here. Maybe we'll come back to this one again. So I just need to do say create page. Oh, didn't talk about this time around. Okay, was created. Now you can add image and all that. Okay, shall I see what we have? So now this is your add a profile picture and a cover. So this profile picture is your logo, while this cover is this. Okay, so now what you're going to do is this logo. Now as a digital marketing agent concerned, either you are doing it for yourself, or doing it for a company, or you are managing a business, all you just need to do is just to learn all this little creativity. Okay, so you might not really know how to use a Photoshop, might not know how to use Corel Draw to do some graphic design or that, but there's one I'm going to show you now which is very important. All you just need to do, go to covert.com. Of course, most of us we are already used to it, but if you are not used to it, Canva is one of the best online tool to help you create either a logo or whatever you want to do. Okay, very important. It will help you to do a quick one and a professional one as well. So probably let's do something like this. So now once you come here, you see first thing first you need to do is to what you log in. Okay, I'm already logged in, that's why you are seeing me here. Okay, so now all you have to do is first of all you will see something like a create account around here if you have not logged in before. So what you just do first of all, just create an account with them, and at the end of the day you are good to go. So after creating an account, now you can also use it. Remember I said we can use it to create a logo, can you do a backdrop, can you do a cover, can even do some even ad. Okay, image for ads. Okay, you can actually use it for them. Very important. Look at all designs. Let's take a look. Okay, let me quickly save this one. I want to use that. Okay, let's say all designs. Let's take a look at what we have here. Now these are all words. These are my stuff that I've designed before. Okay, so for you now just to do, come to where you call template. Okay, this template now, you can see they have so many features: Instagram post, Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook cover, YouTube channels, and so they've already have their own dimensions. Okay, so probably I want to create a Facebook logo. Okay, what I just need to say business, okay, stuff like this. I have what logo, so I will just click on what logo, or I right click and I want open a new tab for logo. So you come here, once you click, the next thing you are going to see is all this. Okay, so you see how this. So now the logo you are creating, what are you creating for? Because they are even showing you hospital, doctor, church, event, bar, design, art, faction, so problem stuff like. So let's go into faction, right? So we're into faction. So now the next thing for you to do now, you can see these beautiful logos we have right here. So that's why I say you must not be a tech, must not be a guru and all that. So it's just an online free tool for you to to explore. Yes. So even if you don't know, even you have a zero idea on how to design, probably this one will help you. So now remember we want to create a logo, and the logo is for what? Is for faction, right? So now the next thing to do, just pick anyone you wish it. I think we should go with this one. This one is more related. Now once you come here, you click on this. Now the next thing for us to do is to see how we can create it, how we can use it to create it. So now always look out for another thing. You always look out for free. In Canva we have a free template, and we have a pro template. For the pro, you actually pay for it, while on the free one, you can actually use the free one to do whatever you want to do. Now this one I cannot use it because it's actually what paid is pro. You can see that, so we cannot actually use this. Let's check the one that are free. We can actually use them and all that. So they come here, so look at it, come to the left hand side, or just need to do click on what free. So all you'll be seeing here though are the free ones that you can actually use without you paying for them. You see these are still beautiful, they are still very much okay. So now we have gotten something like this. So the next thing for us to do is to pick anyone you wish you want to. Okay, probably let's pick something like this one, to something is related. Okay, so actually pick something like this and design it to the level you want. So the next thing for us to do, so what say pick, use this design. So in this case we are using this one, right? Good. So now the next thing for you to do is either you change this image or you use it, but I always encourage change the image, because probably that is just a template, so every other person must have used this. Okay, all you just need to do, change it. If you want to change it, all you just need to do is so come to open another tab, just say faction images or icons. Okay, we really need to have to get an icon so that we can replace it with that. I don't like this Microsoft Bing. Let's say google.com. So here I'll now type, yes. Now this is it. So all you just need to do, go to logo, go to images. Now to see some unique images and quality images, all you just need to do, come here and say let's add here PNG, because we needed PNG. Yes, you can see beautiful ones we can actually use without any stress. So this one is cool for us. We think we can actually use this one without any stress. Yes, remember it's boutique, right? So we pick anything related to boutique. We pick something related to boutique, maybe something like this. But if you're a female, you can put something like something related. The idea is let the logo or the icon reflect what you are doing. That is the whole essence. Yes, so probably maybe it's a men's, majorly for men, or maybe I can just pick stuff like this. Pick stuff like this. Remember, this is for shopping, right? This icon is for men. So I can just pick anything that I know that will work for me best. Or you can actually come here and say shopping icons. Okay, shopping icons. Click on it. You see that? Yes, so probably something like this. Can come up with something like this. Depends on your creativity, depends on what you like, but at least what I'm saying, that the image should reflect what you are doing. Okay, maybe something like this. Maybe I needed something like this, right? Yeah, so all you just need to do is to get anyone that's okay by you, and you download it, and you are good to go. Okay, or maybe something like this. These cat icons, they are still good. I love this one. I love something like this. Yes, so in this case, all you just do, just come here, right click, and download it. Okay, maybe I put it on the desktop. Cat icon, maybe pick this one again and download this one. And please, if you want to be like this one, I see the image is blur, right? So all you just to do, if you want to make it to be very, the quality get come up, click on tools, click on the size, click on large. Okay, so any icon you are seeing now will be very high. The quality will be very high. So let's go back to this one again. So we can use this one to trace where we can have other ones. Okay, let's say something like this. I don't need it in group, I need it in single. Yes, I need it single. So something like this, we don't need that. There's watermark. Any image you are getting, please make sure there is no watermark on it. Yes, if it's watermark, it's not good to use people's images and all that. Remember that this is Google, right? Okay, let's say something like, oh, I love this. Something like this is cool, right? So you download it. So once you download it, now let's go back to our, yes. So after downloading, you come here. So probably you don't like this, so delete it, or come back. Wait first. So let's say once you want to, let's import it. If you want to import that logo, we just download it. All you have to do just to come up here, say click on upload. Then from the upload, click on upload media. Go to devices, which your system or your phone. So now let's go to the one we just download there, which is we'll find it in downloads. Now in downloads, this is iStock photo, right? So maybe you can just say, type here iStock. Let's find where it is. I think it's under downloads, something like that. This is iStock. Okay, let's just find where it is. Local drive. So with that mind, say iStock. See what I'm doing. So just in case you are not a guru type base, just in case you are not a guru enough, all you just need to do is very simple. You cannot use a Photoshop like this. All you just need to do is very simple. To remove the background or from that logo, all you just need to do, come back here online and click on type remove.bg. So now it will land you here. You want to remove the background. If I don't eventually need the background, so you click on upload, and let's check where. I think it should be under desktop. Yeah, desktop. iStock. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have it here. So just you upload it, and you just automatically remove the background. See now, there's no more background on it, right? So you just need to click on download. So after the download, let's check where it is. iStock should be under download. Okay, it's under download. So you just need to do, come back to your Canva, go to your device. Now go to downloads, because it's under download now. now have this one. So I just do double click and it will come here, and what you just need to do after loading is what you drag from here and you drop it here. Okay, it's here, right? So you just need to remove this one, delete it, bring this one bring this one in, and that's all. See that we have just created a professional logo. You see that? See how powerful it is. Alright, so that's the logo. Just to do again, this is the logo. The next thing for us to do, let's rename it. And what is the name of our page? The name of our page is what? Fashion Hubs Boutique. So we come here, change this one to what? Fashion Hub Boutique. Personally, I don't like this. What's it called? The fonts. So we can actually change the fonts. All you just need to do, come here and okay, this is the fonts. You can use this. It's free. You can see it's cool. You see that it's cool. Then can you put your slogan? This is beauty beyond measure. You can do that. Come here, adjust it. Okay, maybe it's just too much, or you have to reduce the font size. Okay, can just put it here. It's a beauty beyond measure. So you cannot create. Okay, let's create for maybe your phone number, wherever it is. So I just need to do is to duplicate this one, or just do right click and copy. So once you copy, right click again and paste. So that's what I just did. So it might be your phone number is 08006452727. Okay, see that? So this one can just manage it again. Like it's too big, let's reduce it. Okay, see that? So this is how you do your logo, and before you know it, you at least you've just gotten yourself a good fantastic logo for yourself. Okay, so in that case, that's all you have. So at the end of the day, what you need to do is just to come here and click on download. You download, leave it as it is, and there you have the logo. You see that? So just to preview it, let's see the kind of logo we've just created. Alright, look at how beautiful the image is. So the logo is, so that's how you create your logo.